A mysterious true story actually recorded in the deep sea. 95% of the ocean we know remains unknown. In 2015, the National Ocean Technology Team deployed an uncrewed submersible, SD-09, near a deep-sea hydrothermal vent in the Pacific Ocean. The goal was simple: to record life forms in the deepest parts of the Earth. The submersible slowly sank 3,000 meters below, where light could not reach. And there, an unexpected phenomenon began to be recorded. At about 2,700 meters depth, the submersible's microphone captured a strange sound: tap, tap, tap. The scientists were bewildered. This was because most fish are unable to produce sound below 2,000 meters. In the deep sea, Drive, Young-Hae Yoon, the head of the exploration team, asked, "Is it a mechanical fault, perhaps?" But the engineer stated definitively, "No, this is an impact sound coming from the outside. It's as if someone is knocking on the outside of the submersible." The team magnified the real-time screen, and there was nothing, only darkness, and the pressure of the black, empty water existed. A researcher, analyzing the recorded footage at 1,000 frames per second, rushed into the lab early in the morning. "Doctor, you have to see this." In a very brief moment, less than a second long, the shadow of something massive flashed across the right side of the submersible screen. Its size was at least 4 to 5 meters or more. The problem was, its appearance did not match any known existing creature. It had no discernible head or torso shape. It had multiple structures that looked like legs, and it moved as if crawling, pushing through the waves of water. Drive, Young-Hae Yoon muttered, "This is not the form of any deep-sea life we know." The submersible SD-09 was recovered 11 hours later. However, clear, patterned scratches were found on the surface of the submersible. The engineer said, "This is not natural erosion. These are regularly repeated marks. They look like traces of something pulling on it with a claw or a structure." The scratches were repeated at exact intervals of 4, as if a four-legged entity had attempted to grab hold of the submersible. While compiling the data log, a researcher discovered a startling fact. Just before the submersible surfaced, the last 7 seconds of data had been deleted. Whether it was intentional deletion or an error caused by pressure, no one knew. Only a single, recovered line of record remained. Not detected again? What did we see? What kind of creature knocked on the submersible? Why were the last 7 seconds erased? Drive. Young-Hae Yoon concluded his report a few days later by writing, "The deep sea is hiding something. We did not knock on its door, it knocked on ours first."